Day 14, English Vocabulary Practice, words 1301 to 1400. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Let's start learning.
1301. Active. I stay active every day.
1302. Afraid. The child is afraid of the dark.
1303. Alone. She lives alone.
1304. Amazing. The mountain view is amazing.
1305. Angry. He is angry about the mistake.
1306. Awake. I am still awake.
1307. Aware. Be aware of the traffic.
1308. Beautiful. The garden is beautiful.
1309. Bored. I feel bored today.
1310. Calm. Please stay calm.
1311. Comfortable. This chair is comfortable.
1312. Confused. I am confused by the question.
1313. Curious. The child is curious about everything.
1314. Dangerous. This road is dangerous.
1315. Disappointed. She was disappointed with the result.
1116. Embarrassed. I felt embarrassed after my mistake.
1117. Energetic. The children are energetic today.
1118. Excellent. You did an excellent job.
1119. Fair. The teacher is fair to everyone.
1120. Familiar. This place looks familiar.
1121. Gentle. Be gentle with the baby.
1122. Grateful. I am grateful for your help.
1123. Guilty. He felt guilty about the mistake.
1124. Helpful. My neighbor is very helpful.
1125. Important. English is important for my future.
1126. Independent. She is an independent person.
1127. Jealous. He felt jealous of his friend.
1128. Lazy. I feel lazy on Sunday mornings.
1129. Lonely. She felt lonely in the new city.
1330. Lucky. We are lucky today.
1331. Modern. This building is very modern.
1332. Natural. The juice has a natural flavor.
1333. Normal. It is normal to make mistakes.
1335. Patient. Please be patient with me.
1335. Peaceful. The park is peaceful in the morning.
1336. Perfect. Your answer is perfect.
1337. Pleasant. We had a pleasant conversation.
1338. Powerful. The engine is powerful.
1339. Private. This is a private room.
1340. Public. The library is open to the public.
1341. Ready. I am ready to begin.
1342. Responsible. She is responsible for the project.
1344. Safe. This neighborhood is safe.
1345. Serious. This is a serious problem.
1346. Shy. The little girl is shy.
1347. Successful. He is a successful businessman.
1348. Thankful. I am thankful for my family.
1349. Tired. I am tired after work.
1350. Useful. This book is very useful.
1351. Wonderful. We had a wonderful vacation.
1352. Agree. I agree with you.
1353. Allow. My parents allow me to stay up late.
1354. Appear. A rainbow appeared in the sky.
1355. Avoid. Avoid driving during heavy traffic.
1356. Believe. I believe in you.
1357. Belong. This book belongs to me.
1358. Borrow. Can I borrow your phone?
1359. Cancel. We need to cancel the meeting.
1360. Cause. Heavy rain can cause floods.
1361. Complain. Customers sometimes complain.
1362. Complete. Please complete the form.
1363. Consider. Please consider my idea.
1365. Depend. Success depends on hard work.
1366. Develop. I want to develop my English skills.
1367. Disagree. I disagree with that opinion.
1368. Expect. I expect him to arrive soon.
1369. Follow. Please follow the instructions.
1370. Happen. What happened yesterday?
1371. Include. The price includes breakfast.
1372. Increase. Prices may increase next year.
1373. Manage. She can manage the office well.
1374. Mention. He mentioned your name.
1375. Offer. They offered me a new job.
1376. Order. I want to order lunch.
1377. Prefer. I prefer tea to coffee.
1378. Promise. I promise to call you.
1379. Realize. I realize my mistake now.
1380. Receive. I received your message.
1381. Recommend. I recommend this restaurant.
1382. Refuse. She refused the offer.
1383.
Remain. Please remain seated. 1384. Require. This job requires experience.
1385. Seem.
You seem happy today. 1386. Select. Please select one answer.
1387. Solve. We can solve this problem.
1388. Suggest. I suggest taking a short break.
1339. Suppose. I suppose he is busy.
1390. Survive. Plants need water to survive.
1391. Treat.
Treat everyone with respect. 1392. Trust. I trust my best friend.
1393.
Accept. Please accept my apology. 1394. Admire. I admire her courage.
1395. Communicate. We communicate by email.
1396. Connect. The bridge connects two towns.
1397. Improve. Reading can improve your vocabulary.
1398. Prepare. I prepare my clothes at night.
1399. Succeed. Work hard and you will succeed.
1400. Accomplish. You can accomplish your goals.
Excellent job.
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.